I'm going to show you my Nerf gun collection. And we started right now. First of all, my Nerf Dominator, my Raptor Strike, my Alpha Hawk, this, this, this again, and this, and I got the two Nerf vests. I got this gun again. I got this pistol. I got this. I got this. I got this. And that is it for the video. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment, subscribe, tell me if you have any Nerf guns, and leave a like and turn on the notifications. Peace out.